Beginning. Man, I always have matter. I'll be able to so rough. In today's video, we will be decorating our Christmas tree. I am here with
me.
Who is me?
Me, boo.
I'm here with my boo. I'm not like when nobody call him boo. But I'm here with my baby. You guys love my t-shirt? So we are feeling a little bit Christmassy. You know, Jason with the olive green and me with the SpongeBob team shirt. So we're going to decorate with tree. What you do?
Yeah, so that's fat and thinny.
Hey, Mr. Guys, belly get big. But I love it. Now, with decorating a Christmas tree, you want to add your own little touch. I don't know, I just don't feel like you must copy nobody's tree, especially if you want it to be special. So we're gonna just freestyle right now. So babe have the ornaments. Some of these we're gonna mix and match. Some of the stuff that we used last year and some new stuff. So these are silver and clear. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these, but we'll see how everything comes together. And if you've been keeping up, the ring light that mess itself with me, you know. You guys know that I said I wanted to use rose gold for the theme. So we have those cute little reindeers. And
we have we call this heel.
Heel?
Or ice. No.
Ice stick looking.
Oh yeah, no heel. What are so ice?
Yeah, some little frozen stick something. It gives like a little icy look. And we have a couple of those, the clear ones and the snowflakes.
Snowflakes them.
And we have the big rose gold balls. We have these. So all of these rose gold were sent to us by Timu. But then I went ahead and bought these. So I have these because I know the theme is rose gold. When the girl upgrade the tree, you know, plus I'm gonna use some of the clear and gold from last year. And I have these, more of these. I have this. So pretty. I love it. Guys, I bear flowers in the bathroom. My glitter going here and I have these as well. Alright, so let us get into it. The best part is the tree is up, the light is on. So all we need to do is just add stuff to the tree. If you see like a blinky I go on the ring light here, play with me and don't play with me now. Because you're new. Exactly, the ring light new. But I carry it right back. Alright, so we're going to add, because the bag just full of bare flowers. So as I said, them ornaments there, some of them I get them from Timu, some of them from last year, and those were I buy for myself. So a mixture of everything, I would just go freestyle. I don't want them are from last year, some of them. Ooh, I love this. Okay. You know what, look at style I can't do, you know. Have a look at style I can't. Alright. Guys, we're trying like a thing. We don't know if it's gonna work.
Yeah, but you're
well, I don't know, but just I try to see what we can do with it. But it's too short. You see, I don't want it on the whole like tree now. No, sir. Just want to put babe. Let me figure out what we're going to do with this.
Nice table. Just go next table.
Oh, when you have card, you can just hang them.
Oh, without this one?
No, that, yeah.
cook perfect. You just need to cook. That's all.
Yeah. Give me some of them here.
I think they can get that. That nice man.
Yeah. Or any random place.
Okay. So come on right now.
So tell me something. So because you have ornament, you use all of them pine tree?
No.
Yeah, we are saying because we feel like you want to cook everything.
I mean, no, me just have try. Remember, it back not have none enough, but me not focus
Yeah,
on
you
the
put
back.
it back then. More than a couple.
I have this Merry Christmas, and I have this cute gold reindeer. So, you put this where you want to put it, and I can put the reindeer where I want to put it. Sure, we're going to put on the flowers them now. I think this is the easiest part. Oh, we need a scissors to pop out there. Where the one come? So yeah, this is all so far. Anything will look too chop up, I go just go in and fix it. I feel as if them two reindeer, they're too close together. What do you think? I love the gold one, this so I might just move this one. So pretty. She's so. I didn't hear me say if we cut off. Give me.
Match this.
Yeah. So cut off with petal them off of them for me.
Which better? Cut off the tag.
Yeah, the tag.
Damn.
Baby, the tag. You could have never cut off my petal.
But damn, how you say? What is?
I'm so excited.
I never see flowers for Christmas tree.
Move from here, though. You never seen no Christmas tree yet then. Guys, me there try to do like a pattern. So you see how I have it so? One is me to slant it. I don't know. Or me for rotate it, like do this.
Okay.
No, I feel as if the pink was giving more at the top.
I think the pink is giving classy.
Yeah, mock me. Yeah, mock me.
Why me can't get this out there, man? Bro, you know, say.
I'm sure no me I put
You
this.
stay like.
Excuse me, babe.
You're stubborn.
Who say like, who name Andra? And not the government name. Don't play with me like that, sir. Lord of mercy. tree. So guys, I'm not having a cleaning up for the because I'm currently a cleaning up right now, which is good. So I just have randomly put in everything, and then after I don't know where this come off about, I'll catch it yourself. Then after I'll just go through and see what to move and what is what. Where do you think we put this?
If you be honest,
No more?
if you be totally honest, we don't like leave them. But put it up, and whenever you post it, you ask. And if the people like leave them more, we'll go with the leave them. If not, we'll go with leave them. I don't know, leave them kind of kill back is 25 tree to me.
I love a leaf.
So alright, make we just make a vote.
Okay.
Alright.
Guys, comment and let me know one thing. Jason said him no, well let me remember. Jason said him no really love the leaf them. Me say me love the leaf them. So in the comment section, tell me what one thing. Guys, I'm finally finished. Woo! A whole heap of picking and moving and touching. I did just turn off the camera, guys, and just say me a focus on it because I don't know, something did I rub me the wrong way. But you see the silver ornaments them I'm telling you something I never want to use. I went in back with them and do a little something and I'm sure no too much talking. Let's go. This is her. I love it. Remember I did have this wrap around the tree. I just think it looks so much better right there, so I just make it hang on both sides and I love it. Guys, comment in the comment section and let me know how it's looking, how it did. And when I turn on the light, you know, imagine when I turn on the lights. Think you could have get little filling in, probably like here. But I'm not gonna do nothing more to the tree, guys, to be honest. I'm gonna make it stay because if I touch it again, I spoil it, I gonna spoil. Ta-da! I really love it. Yeah, it's really cute. On a scale of 1 to 10, how is it looking? With 10 being the highest. Guys, biking at the background, just ignore it. I'm in love, so I'm gonna remove this from around the tree and add it right here. So, yeah, I like this, guys. I love it. Yep.